it's Presley of ActOutGames.com here, and today marks the start of Computer Science Education Week, which is super duper amazing. I've actually done videos on this for the past 2 years, maybe? There'll be links in the description to some of my previous videos if you want to check those out. But for those of you who don't know what Computer Science Education Week is, Computer Science Education Week is an entire week dedicated to exactly what it says, computer science education, especially for kids. And one of the things that a lot of people do for Computer Science Education Week is they do something called Hour of Code, where they spend about an hour doing some coding in a language and learning the basics of code. I've done very simple things last year, or in the past 2 years, as well as I've been doing some more advanced things. And today I'm going to be doing something a little bit more advanced, and I'm going to be making a chatbot in Python using CodeMonkey's Hour of Code, and I'm super duper excited to check it out. So let's just go ahead and get started with our Python chatbot. Woo! Alright, meet CodeMonkey's Trivia Chatbot. Welcome to Python Chatbot. In this course, you will learn how to create your own trivia chatbot. At the end of the course, you can share your chatbot and test how well your friends know trivia. The language you'll be coding in is Python, which I'm actually learning right now. Woo, Python. The screen displays instructions to the left, Python editor in the middle, and the chatbot to the right. Each task will pass successfully when you write the correct text/command in the editor and click on check. The final task in each exercise will be to test your chatbot. Clicking on test runs the code in the editor and will trigger the chatbot to ask trivia and respond automatically. Clicking on chat lets you talk with the chatbot. The send message function sends the text the chatbot says. The text is shown in the chat. Send message gets a string, which is a sequence of characters inside quotes to send. Woo! So replace the text in the function send message to be what's your favorite trivia topic? What? It's with an apostrophe? Yes. Your favorite trivia topic? Question mark. Check. Yay! Hit test to test your chatbot. Yay! Woo! That worked. Okay, great. I read you. Great, your chatbot can now ask questions. Now we'd like it to chat. The chatbot will ask a question, then the user will answer, and the chatbot will respond accordingly. In the following test, the chatbot will answer automatically with sports as the trivia topic. The function readMessage returns the user's answer. This function has no argument. You need it to store the return value in a variable in order to use it later in the code. Response equals readMessage. The operator plus concatenate when two or more strings are combined. The operator plus concatenate strings. See the examples below. Okay. Oh, that's what concatenate is. Okay. So it's hello plus my friend. Yeah. So it combines two strings together as it said. Change the value of response to be the return value of the function read message instead of food. So response equals read message. Okay. Oh gosh, nope, no. Control S. I hit that in CS50 a lot, so I'm just so used to doing it. But it's not what I'm supposed to do. Hi, what's your favorite trivia time? Sports. Sports? Awesome. I also love trivia questions on sports. Next. Oh no, whenever you write code, make sure to test that your code works correctly. Sometimes we want to see a test that we expect to fail actually fail. In this exercise, you will purposefully fail a test. The test will pass if the chatbot says, awesome, I also love trivia questions on sports, after the user replies with his or her favorite trivia category. Okay, hit test to verify that the test fails. I also dislike trivia questions on sports. Me too. I don't know anything about sports. Well, that's not true. I know very few things about sports. Change the text you send to, awesome, I also love trivia questions on. Okay. I also love trivia questions on. Cool. Hit test to test your chatbot. See that the test passes. Hi, what's your favorite trivia question? Or trivia topic? Sports. Awesome, I also love trivia questions on sports. Chat ended. Great job. Next. Break up the party. In Python, each statement should be written in a single line. However, this is not always possible when you have a long line of code to write. Using the backslash, right? That's the back. Yes. Using the backslash character allows for lines to be broken, since this character signals that the preceding line is a continuation of the line before. Although we write the code in more than one line, Python interprets it as a single line. When breaking up strings, each line should start and end using quotes. See the following example. Whenever writing code inside curly brackets, curly brackets, square brackets, or brackets, you don't need to use the line continuation character to break up the lines. Change the variable welcome to hi. Let's put your trivia knowledge to the test. I bet you will ace it. Use the backslash to break it up into 2 lines. Okay. Hi. Let's put your trivia knowledge to the test. Backslash. I bet you will ace it. Yes, I bet you will ave it. Exclamation point, quotation mark. Let's test it. Yay! Call the function send a message with the argument welcome. Pay attention that welcome is a variable and doesn't need the quotes. Okay. Message welcome. Okay, I think that's the syntax. Okay, that looks like the syntax. Hit test to test your chatbot. Hi, let's put your trivia knowledge to the test. I bet you will ace it. Expected. Hi, let's put your trivia knowledge to the test. I bet you will ace it. There's not a space before I. Is that your problem? No. Oh. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Oh boy. Woo! Okay, what's going wrong here? Hi. Let's put your trivia. Did I spell trivia wrong? Here, let's just copy paste this in and then break it up because sometimes I spell things wrong and don't notice. So I'm just gonna put this all in and then we're gonna break it up here. Like, gonna break it up like 2 Hollywood stars. Alright. Test. No. Does it want me to split it at a different? I bet you will ace it. There we go! I did it! I don't know what I did wrong, but I fixed it, so that's great. That's a big part of programming for me, is not really knowing what you did wrong, but you fixed it, so it's okay. And that's not really a great thing, but it's just how programming works. Ooh, a bonus. Let's ask the user for their least favorite topic. Call the function send message with the text. What's your least favorite trivia topic? Call the function topic. Read. Response equals read message. Yep. Send message with the text. I can barely answer question. I promise I'm good at typing. I'm just having issues, okay? On plus response. Hit test to take what? Oh, invalid syntax. Woo! What's the invalid syntax, pal? Ah! I'm looking! Read message. Heck. Am I doing this wrong? Welp. Read message. And I can't do that. That's a syntax error too. Yeah. Read message. Parentheses. Please let me type parentheses. Please. Okay. Cool. Help. Read message. Is it not like that I didn't type it out myself? No. Invalid syntax whomst. Oh, I didn't put the The invalid syntax is not on that line. It's just confused. Computers get confused a lot. Alright, test. Did I do it? History. Rude. History is the best trivia topic. This chatbot is my polar opposite. I can't believe you. History is amazing. Okay, whatever. Oh, a dictionary. I've been working with this. Okay. Now it's time to store a trivia question and its answer. You will use a dictionary to store this data. A dictionary contains pairs of key dash value. Each key is separated from its value using a colon. The dictionary is defined using the curly brackets. The keys could be a string or a number and must be unique. The values can be anything we want. Student info, name is John, grade is A. Define a dictionary and call it trivia. The dictionary will have two keys, question and answer. When you want to access the values in a dictionary, use the keys in square bracket. For example, send message student info name will send John. Send message student info grade will send A. Change the value of answer in the dictionary trivia to football instead of basketball. Football. Oh yeah, they do play football in the Super Bowl, right? I think I would know that. Maybe. I actually watched the Super Bowl, but I only watched the commercials. So, call the function send message to send the trivia answer after it sends the question. That doesn't seem like how trivia works, but okay. Send message, yep. Send message to send the trivia answer after it sends the trivia question. Send a message. Oh, to send. Oh, okay. Trivia. I can't spell trivia apparently. And swear and swa. Okay. Tester chatbot. Woo! Hi, the speaker trivia on the test special which game is played in Super Bowl football. Chat ended. Great. I wonder if I know the answer. If statements are used for conditional execution of statements, the operator equals compares between two values. A colon is added at the end of the comparison. After the colon inside the if block, we write the statements including an indentation that should be executed when the condition is met. See the example below. You've created a dictionary with a question and an answer. Your chatbot can ask the question and the user can then answer it. Take the user's answer and check to see if it matches the stored answer in the dictionary. Use if to check if the response is equal to trivia answer, the operator equals yeah. Okay. So here, if response equals trivia and swa respone. If respone equals trivia and swa. If response equals trivia answer, then send. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to do that yet. Oh, equals trivia answer. Send message. Good. Goof job. Not with capital J, because that's not how grammar works. Woo! Check. Hit test to test your chatbot. Which cities? Okay. Which city do the Simpsons live in? Springfield. Good job. We did it. Trivia. Done. I did it. Okay. Great. Whoop. Oh no, not that button. Wrong button. Oh dear. Okay, good. We did it. Great. What else can you say? Your chatbot checks that the answer answered correctly, so the chatbot sends an appropriate message. However, what happens when the user answers incorrectly? The chatbot would need to reply that the answer is wrong. To handle this question, use else after the if statement. Ooh, we're using an else. Okay, good. If the condition is true, then the condition is true, then the if part of the code is executed. If it's false, then the else part of the code is executed. Both if and else need a colon. Else send message wrong. I say wrong like that every time, and it's a reference to something, and I don't know what it's to. Please let me know in the comments below what I'm referencing. Wrong. Hit test to test your chatbot. Hi, New York. They don't live in New York. They don't live anywhere near New York. Well, I guess I don't know that because Springfield is a fiction. No, Springfield's real, isn't it? There's a place called Springfield. That's cool. Why don't you give away the answer? Another way to format the text is to format a text is to use a placeholder for a variable within a string. %s is used inside a text as a placeholder for a string. At the end of a string is added after which the variable is listed in the following example. In the else block, replace the variable response in the send message with a variable that holds the correct answer. Trivia. Yep, that's how you spell trivia. Trivia. Answa. Great. Hit test to test your chatbot. Woo! New York. Wrong. The correct answer is Springfield. Yay! We did it. Okay. Lists are a sequence of elements separated by a comma. The list is defined using the square brackets. The elements are indexed starting from 1 to 0. The example above shows how to refer to the second element in the list since the element's position is 0. Since the first element's position is 0, the second element's position is 1 because it's 0 indexed, like things in programming tend to be. They tend to go from 0 on instead of 1, 2, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So, yeah. Call the function send message to send the second element in the greetings list after the first element. Okay. Send. Whoops, not with not with a hashtag. That means it is a comment, which means it doesn't execute. It just exists. Okay. Send message. Greetings. Whoops, 1. To send the third element, send message. Greetings. 2. Yes. Hit test to test your chatbot. Hello there. Well, I will ask you trivia questions. Let's test your knowledge. I bet you will ace it. Woo! That worked. Next. That's what 4 is for. When the handling of all elements in the list are the same, you can loop over them. For example, in order for the chatbot to send all elements in the greeting list to a user, a for loop can be used. Woo, for loops. The way to do this is shown in the example below. For m in my list. Okay. Use a for loop to go over the list and call the function send message only once to send all elements. Okay, so for let's just say m because that's what it's using. M in greetings. You can put anything there, but I suspect it wants me to use m as a placeholder. For m in greetings, send message greetings m. We'll send yes. No. Huh? To send all elements. Yes, that sounds appropriate. What is my problem? Oh! Will it? Okay. I trust you. I didn't read the example all the way, I guess. Okay. I trust you to do that. I don't Huh. That doesn't seem like how I would think it would work. But okay. I trust you. I trust you, CodeMonkey. Yeah, we did it. Combining 2 into 1. You previously define a dictionary with the keys question and answer. However, what if you want your chatbot to ask more than one question? You can define a list of dictionaries. This means that each element of the list will be a dictionary. When you want to refer to a value in the list, you need to first refer to the position of the dictionary within the list, and then refer to the specific key that you want. The loop variable represents the dictionary in the list. Referring to the key is done through the loop variable. For example, for S in student, send message S name. We'll send John, Sarah, Will. Use a for loop to loop over the trivia quiz list and call the function send message to send each question. Okay. So I don't know why question is in quotation marks, but oh yes. For T in trivia quiz, send message S name, or T, sorry. T name. Not in quotation marks. Wait, yes, in quotation marks. I'm correct, actually. Whoa. No. Oh, because it's question, not name. Well, there we go. Woo! Watch me be an intelligent individual. Hi, let's put your trivia knowledge. That's by the way. So what was the name of Harry Potter's school? Who was the first Disney princess? Okay, so it asked for it, and I don't get to respond. I know the answer to both of them. I think. I'm pretty sure. We'll try. We'll see later, I guess. Oh no, not again. No. Next. Who is Stephanie and Joanne Angelina German? It's Lady Gaga. Yeah. I should have known how to pronounce Lady Gaga's full name. I'm a fake lesbian. Oh no. A list of dictionaries with 2 elements have been created. Add another element to the list. Add another element to the list with 2 keys. Key is in here. That song's stuck in my head. It's Havana. I don't remember who it's by, but it's stuck in my head. Half of my heart is in Havana. And that should be cut out because that's actually copyrighted, isn't it? Whoops. Okay, well. Okay, so key is question. Whoa, that's not how you do it. Question colon. Who is Stephanie Joanne Angelina German? Yes. Answer. Lady Gaga. Great. Check. No. Heck. What have I done? Oh, there's a comma. Whoa! I don't know there's a comma. There's a comma. No, I added the comma. Are you happy now? No. Not happy. You're not happy. Anyways. Angelina Ballerina. It's Joanne Angelina instead of Joanna Angeline. Okay. How many other issues do I have here? Okay, let's just copy and paste her name because I might have spelled it wrong. Whoops. Watch me be a fake Lady Gaga fan here, not knowing how to spell her full name properly. Oh wait, no, that's right, wasn't it? Okay. Ah, there's a comma. Here? No. It is. What is the name of Harry Potter school? Answer, Hogwarts. Syntax like that. Why is this suddenly hard? Okay, we're gonna... When all else fails, reuse code from before that worked. Germanata? Answer. Lady Gaga. Yep, there was a syntax error somewhere in there. Who knows where it was? Oh, it's because I put a space before the colon just because I thought it looked nicer. I didn't even think it was an issue. Whoopsie daisies. Well, it's fine. Who is the name of Harry Potter school? Who was the first Disney princess? Who is... Yeah, Lady Gaga's full name. Once and for all. Even the chatbot can now ask the questions that you've defined. It's still no fun if the user doesn't get a chance to answer. When we give the user a chance to answer, we need to be able to check whether the answer is correct or not. The function read message that reads the content that the user entered to be added after the function send message that sends a question. This way, each time the chatbot sends a question, the user will get a chance to answer it. Then the user's response will be compared to the value stored in the dictionary, which will verify that it is the answer to the question. Add a call to the function read message and store its return value in the response equals read message. Fix the if to test if the response is equal to answer and for each of the elements. Okay. Hit test to test your chatbot. Oh, right, we gotta stretch you out even though the answers are right in front. Oh, wait, no, it answers for me. Alright, good. I don't have to answer my questions. Lady Gaga. Great, we did it. Woo! Check your score. The user is expected to answer each question. Each answer is checked if correct. The number of correct answers can be counted. The chatbot can then say how many of the answers are correct. A variable can hold one value at a time. The value in the variable can be varied. A variable can be used to count by setting it to hold the value 0 and then adding 1 to its value with each correct answer, using the operator plus equals to add a value to the variable. Variables can hold different types of values: numbers, characters, strings, booleans, etc. The variable used as a counter holds a number. When we use a formatted string earlier to send messages, %s was used as a placeholder for variable holding a string. For variable holding a number, %d is used as a placeholder. The rest of the syntax is the same, as you can see in the example below. Define a variable named count. Here. Define a variable named count and set its value to 0. Set it before the for loop. Done. Inside the if block, when checking if the user's answer is correct, increment the value in the variable named count by 1. Use the operator plus equals. Okay. Count plus equals 1. Fix the text in the function send message to use the variable count instead of 3. You got %d correct answers, and then count. Okay, great. Hit test to test your chat. That's what eventually. So, what's the name of Harry Potter? It's not called Godric Hollow. Who are you? Who is the first Disney princess? Snow White. Yes, good job. Who is Lady Gaga? Lady Gaga. Great. You got 2 correct answers. Woo! We did it. How well did you do? Feedback that correlates the number of correct answers given by the user should be added at the end of the chat. We will use ouch for less than 2 correct answers, not bad for 2 to 3 correct answers. You rock for 4 or more correct answers. Whoop, I lost my place. There we go. We saw the syntax for if-else. If the condition in the if block is not satisfied, the statements in the else block are executed. The else block can contain another if statement. Since this is a very common case, it got a shortened syntax of elif. This means that if the if condition is not satisfied, then check the condition in the elif. In the example above, the first code checked if a is greater than 0, since a is greater than 0. Since a is greater than 0 is false, it continues to the elif and checks if a is less than 0. Since this is true, it runs the code inside of the elif block and since a is negative. In the condition we have 1, and if 1 we have in the if condition we have 1 and 1 if and 1 else, and as many elif as we need. The elif and else are optional, so it is only possible to have 1 if. Whew! That was really hard to say. Anyways, add elif code after count is less than 2. That checks if count is less than 4. Inside the elif block, call the function send message for the text not bad. Elif count is less than 4, then Send message. Not bad. Dot. No, not bad. Bad. Dot. 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 Check. Else. Inside, add else code after elif count less than 4. Inside the else block, call the function send message with the text you rock. Else send message you rock. Hit test to text or chatbot. Look at the end. Check that at the end the chatbot says not bad. Hogwarts. Snow White. Not Beyonce. Lady Gaga. The first Starbucks was inspired by Little Women. The correct answer is Moby Dick. Disney Mother of North and St. Kim Kardashian. You got 3 correct answers. Not bad. Woo! Whew. You're free to create. Oh my gosh, are we done? Whoa. Okay. Sorry, I had to chew my nail. There was a hangnail, and that sucked. Anyways. Congrats! You have completed the instructed part of the course. It is time for you to create your own chatbot, define all the messages you would like your chatbot to say, and all the questions you want your chatbot to ask the user. Once you complete this exercise, you can share your chatbot with your friends and test their knowledge. Yes. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be edited in front of me actually adding the answers to the chatbot. If you watch ahead and learn the answers before you do the chatbot, I will be very disappointed. There is a link in the description to where you can check out this chatbot and try the trivia for yourself, and then you can watch the rest of the video. I did it right. Hello, Alright, we're done. Woo! Hello, I will ask you trivia about Presley's various fandoms. Good luck and try to get all the questions right. What is Several from Rising's full name? Several Barca? Bingo! What episode is Hey Demons Me from you? Hey Demons, it's me, your boy, from The Ghosts and Demons of Bobby Mackey's. Nope. Well, I didn't pilot it right. Which lights is it? Red and blue. Bingo. Which vocaloid sing Magnet? Miku and Luca. Bingo. Who's in the trio of, I don't remember which order I put them in. The Force Awakens, Rey, Pin and bow. Bingo! Which house is the best house? Slytherin. Obviously. It's just the best house. Bingo. Katrina, more like Hurricane. Tortilla. My mom actually does say tortilla. It's amazing. Okay. I put tortilla. Well. We did it, I guess. We did it. We completed the course. Okay. Woo! View summary, deploy my chatbot. Okay, so that was CodeMonkey's Python trivia chatbot course for Hour of Code for Computer Science Education Week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the other Hour of Codes, which will be linked in the description below, as well as try this one out for yourself. If you make a trivia game, make sure to link it so I can check it out and see how many questions I can get right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!